Samsung's Galaxy smartwatches consistently rank among the best-selling wearables globally, but the brand's inconsistent naming convention makes it challenging to follow each Galaxy Watch iteration annually. Unfortunately, this confusion seems likely to persist. However, that's not the main focus here. What stands out is Samsung's plan to revive one of its most iconic smartwatch lineups, the Galaxy Watch Classic. Despite its popularity, Samsung has sidelined the classic models in past launches. What earned the Classic series its fan base was the timeless, traditional design. As of now, there's no Galaxy Watch 7 Classic, but according to a fresh leak, Samsung is preparing to release the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. The name was recently listed in Bluetooth SIG certification. Apart from the model number SN55U, the certification doesn't disclose any technical specifications. Historically, Galaxy Watch Classic models are known for a fan-favorite feature, the rotating bezel. Whether the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic retains this signature rotating bezel remains uncertain, but enthusiasts are hopeful. Samsung typically unveils its smartwatches during its Summer Unpacked event, so the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic could arrive within months. The appearance of the watch on Bluetooth SIG confirms Samsung's intention to reintroduce a classic version in 2025. We're confident about its return. Regarding internal specs, more details about the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will emerge as the official launch nears, albeit mostly through reliable but unofficial leaks. Samsung's next major product showcase is likely scheduled for July. The tech giant is expected to debut its new foldable flagships, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7, making it a strategic moment to announce its next smartwatch lineup. In 2021, Samsung overhauled its Galaxy Watch series by switching to Google's Wear OS, replacing its proprietary Tizen platform. Over the past 5 years, enhancements have centered around performance, screen size, slimmer bezels, and higher-end models like the Classic, Pro, and Ultra editions. Despite these upgrades, the overall aesthetic, featuring a circular face, extended lugs, raised glass edges, and 2 side buttons, has remained unchanged. While this iconic design helped define Samsung's wearable identity, it now feels dated and due for a modern refresh. Fortunately, Samsung seems to recognize this. During an investor call on Wednesday, the company updated shareholders on H1 performance and teased upcoming product launches. Smartwatches were a key focus, especially the rollout of Galaxy AI across tablets and wearables. The company is pushing its AI-first approach in premium devices. Financial analyst Brian Mai noted Samsung's intention to redesign its wearables and enhance health tracking in upcoming Galaxy watches. On the health front, the company is developing an antioxidant index based on a new sensor. Design-wise, Samsung remains vague. This could mean a visual overhaul or a revival of the classic lineup. We'll learn more at the official reveal of the Galaxy Watch 8, scheduled for the second half of the year, likely in July, aligning with previous launch cycles. Meanwhile, Gemini has replaced Google Assistant on mobile devices. Samsung's Galaxy S25 series shipped with Gemini pre-installed, leveraging Google's AI to power core smart features. Naturally, Gemini's transition to Wear OS smartwatches was only a matter of time. Google CEO Sundar Pichai confirmed during Alphabet's Q1 2025 earnings call that Gemini will replace Google Assistant on wearables later this year. He revealed that tablets, automotive systems, headphones, and smartwatches will soon integrate Gemini. Since Samsung Galaxy watches run on Wear OS, an Android-based platform, these AI updates will directly impact Samsung wearables. Recent code from the Wear OS Google Assistant app referenced Gemini. It indicated that users could activate it either by holding the side button or using the "Hey Google" wake phrase. The scope of Gemini's smartwatch integration remains unclear, but we anticipate improved AI capabilities tailored to the form factor. Google hasn't announced an exact rollout date, but we expect further clarity at Google I/O 2025 on May 20th. Since its launch in July 2024, the Galaxy Watch 7 has received minimal firmware updates. Unlike Galaxy smartphones, it lacks regular monthly security patches and currently operates on the November 2024 patch. An early 2025 update fixed a few bugs but didn't enhance security. With the Galaxy Watch 8, Samsung must improve its software support and deliver monthly, or at minimum, quarterly, security updates. Samsung excels at rolling out feature-rich firmware, often being the first to adopt the latest Wear OS versions. There's no reason it can't offer more consistent updates, especially for the LTE variant, which historically lags behind the Bluetooth model. For example, the Galaxy Watch 7 LTE version received updates weeks later. Samsung recommends a 15-watt charger for the Galaxy Watch 7 to optimize charging. It also ships with a redesigned puck to accommodate changes to the glass back. Still, the device takes 85 to 90 minutes for a full charge. A 30-minute charge only replenishes 45% of the battery, which is significantly slower than competing Android smartwatches. For context, the Google Pixel Watch 3 reaches 100% in 60 minutes and hits 80% in just 35. Samsung should aim for similar efficiency with the Galaxy Watch 8, reducing top-up time to 35 to 40 minutes. This would make quick recharges more practical. On paper, the Galaxy Watch 7 offers long-lasting battery performance. It features Samsung's 3nm Exynos W1000 chip and houses a 300 mAh battery, 40mm, or 425 mAh battery, 44mm. Still, user feedback paints a different picture. Despite a post-launch patch aimed at addressing rapid battery drain, many users, especially those using the 40mm version, report poor endurance. With the Galaxy Watch 8, Samsung must prioritize consistent battery performance to match competitors like Apple Watch and Pixel Watch. Extended battery life isn't essential, but meeting advertised uptime is. If Samsung promises 24 hours on a single charge, it needs to deliver reliably. Samsung introduced a new bioactive sensor in the Galaxy Watch 7, boasting 30% improved health tracking precision. However, this hardware change required a redesign of the back glass, which increased the distance from the wireless coil. As a result, the Watch 7 doesn't support wireless power share, a popular feature in earlier Galaxy watches allowing charging via a Galaxy phone. This omission reduces charging flexibility, especially during travel. PowerShare was unique in the Android ecosystem. While it wasn't used daily, it offered major convenience. Hopefully, Samsung reintroduces this with the Galaxy Watch 8. Perhaps leveraging magnets from Qi 2, compatible cases could enable secure magnetic alignment and efficient wireless charging from Galaxy phones. This enhancement would revitalize the PowerShare experience. Samsung played a key role in revitalizing Wear OS through the Galaxy Watch series. The Galaxy Watch 7 delivered essential hardware updates, including a faster chip and more accurate sensor. Now, with the Galaxy Watch 8, the company must